स्टॅच्यू मिसरूच पावतली गाडी मागीर पुढे ना पुढे चलत वचपाक जाय 8,500 भेजत है ना स्टॅच्यू मिसरूच पावतली गाडी मागीर पुढे ना पुढे चलत वचपाक जाय
On the occasion of 550 years completion of Gokund Partagali Mutt and Sthapana of 77 feet Ram statue will be unveiled by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi with the presence of our Srimad Vidyadisha Tirth Swamiji. Tomorrow for the event, more than 15,000 people are expected for all over India. So it will be a grand event, and Prime Minister is expected in the afternoon, and they will be spending about 75 minutes on this venue. They will be visiting first to the Ram statue, bronze Ram statue, followed by our Ram Mandir, followed by Veera Vittal Mandir, and Prime Minister will address the people in the main Jeevotam Mandap.
बंदोबस्त कसलो व्हीव्हीआयपी तुम्ही मला सारखे गोणे कशे येता आता आयटी साहेब येयलो ताका लागून सांगता बंदोबस्त कसलो व्हीव्हीआयपी जाले व्हीव्हीआयपी बंदोबस्त फॉर व्हॉट ऑनरेबल प्राईम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया विजिटिंग एक तर इंडियात सगळ्यात व्हडलो रामाचो स्टॅच्यू Okay, statue is made out of brass material. Years of this Mutt Sansthan. So, to they celebrate करपासाठी